Have you come to a standstill in your network marketing business because you've been told to do a big list of 100 people and start ringing them all one by one, or doing a spammy pammy and just cold calling or cold messaging people that you don't even know on Facebook? Hi, my name's Jan Moss. Please like, share and subscribe if you find this interesting, and you won't miss out on any future videos. So yes, I was in that position as well. I loved my products, I loved the company, but I just hated the feeling of being a spammy pammy and having to pester people that really had no interest in either the business or the products, and it really put me off doing the business as it did, I think, quite a few people around me. But what I've found is that if you work the business correctly, you are the person that people will come to when they need your products or services, and that's what we want. It's called, you've probably heard of it, attraction marketing, and that's what it means. If you become an expert in your field, in either the product, what the products do for you, or how to build a business, how to make money. There's lots of people out there right now that need extra money. There's lots of people out there that have issues with their health that could really do with your help, or whatever it is, the product that you're looking after, you're dealing with. And if you're like me, coming up to potential retirement age, or it would have been if it hadn't moved the goalposts and it's now 67 instead of 60 for retirement age, and you're looking to increase your income and perhaps retire early and maybe not actually have to worry about your bills and not have to think about working on beyond what you were hoping to originally, then there is a better way. Network marketing is a brilliant business model, but you have to be comfortable in how you run your business. And there's no better way than people coming to you, asking you for help, and asking you who are interested in your products, and asking you how they can make extra money, and you can help them make extra money with your business. That's a much nicer way to do it. And the way I've discovered how I've overcome the challenge is to start working on my video skills. Hence this video. You can see, you don't have to be perfect, but of course I'm far from perfect. But it helps to get out there and you do videos. Video is the way forward, in my opinion. If you're not comfortable on video yourself, then you can use AI characters, but to be honest, I think the best way is to really practice doing your own videos. You can practice doing them and never actually putting them anywhere, and just see how it goes. Just do little tiny ones, just do a minute video at a time, and learn how it feels, how you look. You can find that there are actually some filters that you use if you're really worried about how you look. But even if nobody wants to look at somebody that is completely false, that has it's not them. That people will be attracted to you. There will be people like you, whatever you are, whether you're in, however you are, they'll be attracted to you. You'll attract your own tribe. You don't have to be the Miss Perfect that you see on the internet, which is all the airbrushed people and stuff like that. I would definitely recommend getting into doing video, but there's other ways to do attraction marketing as well. And the thing is to learn your trade, you learn your products, and become an expert. You will always be one step ahead of somebody who's never done it before. So that's the way to go, in my opinion. If you'd like to join me, if you'd like to do it this way, and you're looking for a network marketing business, then do make sure you get in touch. But otherwise, just make sure you like and subscribe, and you'll be able to find some more helpful tips on making an income and being successful online.